You know, it can be a lot of hard work to find a genuine money making site sometimes, you know, especially when you're new online. So you want to be on the right track because you don't want to end up being scammed. Although there are many good opportunities online, there are some are good and some are not so good. When it comes to online marketing venture, never pay up front. Why? Because there are dishonest companies online that will ask you to pay a certain fee. You know, avoid them. They're just going to scam you. The thing about affiliate marketing is it's very simple, as I say. It's just to drive traffic from your site to the merchant site. That's it. You bring traffic to them and they do the selling. So it's that simple. The thing is, you need the way to build a genuine affiliate marketing business hasn't changed over the years, you know, as most of the top marketers will tell you. The thing is, it's email. You need to build an email list. That's the first most important thing you can do for your business. If you don't, what happens is you won't have a genuine business. You know, like everything else. You know, if you're building a house, you want to build it on a good foundation. If the foundation is weak, it's gonna crumble. And having an email list is going to be your foundation. That's going to be you. You know, but as you know, I've tried to do Facebook ads, and they kept, you know, they don't like your ads. That's it. They're not going to show it. You know, and some of those pay-per-click ads, they're very expensive. You know, for a beginner to use those things is, you know, of course they're good, but as a beginner, you want something inexpensive to get you moving. You know, once you start get money coming in, then you can go for that. You know, that's why I'm saying, as a newbie marketer, focus all your efforts on building an email list. Then you can branch out into pay-per-click or whatever, you know. Because the thing is, this is a very easy business to make genuine cash. How would you like me to help you with this? You know, the thing is, as I say, I've been around for a while. I know I might not be the most successful out there, but I know what it takes to be successful. If you would like some free training, genuine free training on how to do affiliate marketing, you know, the correct way, you know, not just be a slave to some other marketer, or you go into their done for you business, you know, where you don't really learn, you're marketing for them. You need to click on the link below this video, you know, and there's a link there that will give you some free training. And you can also give me some love by clicking on the like button and give me a comment, because I've been making more videos like this over the